Hey guys, so the first thing I put in my smoothie is a little bit of soursop. Soursop. Alright, I got some soursop. I put a little bit of this in there. Strawberry banana nectar. Just a little bit. Just to give it a little jazz, a little flavor. Alright, next I'm putting spirulina. Spirulina. Okay, next this is beetroot powder. Put just a smidge. Alright, so that's the beetroot powder. Now, this is Activia, whatever. It's a yogurt. So I'm gonna put a yogurt in there. I don't know if I'm gonna put the whole one in there, but majority of it in there. Alright. Okay, next I got my mixed berries. Put a little bit of those in there. Oops. What are you doing, lady? Y'all, I be filling my smoothies up with everything. I want to make it really nutritious, right? Alright, I think that should be enough. It's only me. Okay, so instead of putting water in my smoothie, I'm going to put the tea, my herbal tea that I made. So I'm just going to put some of that in there. And this is going to act as the water. Okay? Alright, it's ready. It's thick, y'all. I like mine thick. Because it'll melt eventually anyway, so. I might have enough for 2 glasses. Yep, I have enough for later. You gotta freeze this and I can drink it in the morning. Alright, here it is, y'all. It's good. It's good. I love smoothies. I gotta get me a juicer. Is the next thing I need to get, a juicer. I put like 5 different ingredients in here. And the soursop is so nasty. When you put it in your smoothie, you don't taste it.